Private Schools Network conducted pre-board exams in all private schools that are associated with PSN in collaboration with the Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. PSN is a forum of independent private schools working in Islamabad that aims to provide better education, disseminate good practices, and improve learning strategies. For the first time in Pakistan, complete pre-board examination of class 9th and 10th were held with collaboration of fbise. These pre-board papers were taken exactly according to the board pattern. E-sheets were provided to the students so that they could practice by solving paper according to the given space in e-sheets before their board exams. Moreover, practicals were also conducted according to the new strategy and pattern of fbise, which involved separate written exam based on 45 minutes in a progressive move. The private school network is dedicated to ensure academic excellence. They organize pre-board exams to provide students with a comprehensive preparation for their upcoming board exams. This strategic approach not only evaluates the understanding of subject but also equip them with the skills needed for success in their academic journey. Controller Federal Board Madam Tahira Fatima, Deputy Educational Advisor Abdul Hanan Kakad from the Regulatory Authority, Research Officer Ghulam Murtaza, Joint Educational Advisor and Chairman Pakistan Education Foundation from the Federal Ministry of Education, Dr. Shafkat Ali Janjua, Professor Tariq Mukhlis, Dr. Abdul Rauf Bhatta, Dr. Wajid Hamid Mughal, Rashid Gaba and senior civil society officials also visited the examination centers and applauded the working of the Islamabad board. Central President of Private Schools Network Islamabad, Dr. Muhammad Afzal Babar, after the completion of SLO-based pre-board exams, stated, "With full mentorship, every child is put through objective, subjective, and practical-based assessment practice before the final exam. This has eased the difficulties of children, teachers, and school administration regarding the final exams." On this occasion, Chairman Islamabad Board of Education, Chaudhry Muhammad Arshad, said that the examination of practical mindset. This approach allows students to comprehend various aspects of each subject, enhancing their overall intellectual growth. Our goal is to empower every student to recognize their true potential and prepare them for a successful future.